In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom labels in Google Ads. As many of you know, Google Ads is a powerful tool that helps businesses reach more customers online, but customizing your ads can make a significant difference in targeting the right audience effectively. We'll guide you through the essential steps to create and manage custom labels to optimize your campaigns. First, let's start by accessing Google Ads. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is your central hub for managing ads and tracking their performance. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads dashboard, also known as the home page of your account. This is where you can view all of your campaigns, metrics, and analytics. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Campaigns tab, which you'll find in the menu on the left side of the screen. Clicking here will show you a list of all your active and paused campaigns. Select a specific campaign that you want to work on by clicking its name. This action will open up the detailed settings and performance data for that particular campaign. Now that you are in the campaign view, look for the edit option to make changes. Clicking on this will present you with various options to modify aspects of your campaign. Next up, you'll see an option labeled Label. This is where our focus is for creating custom labels. Click on it and you'll be prompted with choices to add or modify labels. Labels are essentially tags you can use to organize and sort your campaigns, making it easier to analyze and manage them based on different criteria you define. To create a new label, simply click on the button that says Create Label. In the window that appears, you can enter a unique name for your label, making sure it reflects the category or filter you want to later apply or search by. Consider what distinctions are important for your campaigns, such as seasonal promotions, product types, or budget levels, and name your labels accordingly. Once you have named your label, make sure to save your changes. Your custom label is now created and you can apply it to any campaign, ad group, or even individual ads as needed. Using custom labels can greatly enhance how you manage and optimize your advertising efforts, providing more flexibility and precision in your campaign analysis. And there you have it, you've just learned how to use custom labels in Google Ads. With these, you can better organize your campaigns and gain insights tailored to your business strategy, ultimately helping you reach your advertising goals more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and good luck with your campaigns.